Well, folks, we have a rotor problem on cap. So I got some wobbliness that was going on with my brakes, and just not sure. Well, this should be interesting because I had to call Woody's and have them ship me 2 new rotors. So again, it doesn't really surprise me considering all the stuff that I do, but I don't know when I would have bent it or how it would have got there, but I think it's got a little bit of a bend to it. We're going to take them off. We're going to see if we are, go lay it on some glass table and see if there's any warping or anything like that. But that'll be interesting because obviously I did something to it when I wrote it. But anyhow, got another job here to do, which is rotors. Great. It's always something, right? These bikes killing me. See you in a little bit.
Everyone seemed to let go of integrity and pride. In chase of a better deal, we sacrifice all ideals for a moment in life. What can we do to make it right? Struggle against the odds, and no one is helping us to make order of this mess. There's a feeling I can't evade that rises when
I was told that you should put it on a piece of glass, and you can press right here, and you can hear that. Wobbling, and I don't have that on the other one here, except for this one. You can see the wobbling there. So yep, bad rotor. Hey everybody, guess what? Rotor time. So I got my new rotors here. This is all from Woody's Wheels. These are the Golfers, right? All right, so they'll be going right on there. So, all right, time to get this process going, and let's see how this pans out, okay? We'll see a little bit as we go through this process. Thanks, bye. Okay, now that you get the assembly part right, now you've got to do it at 19 Newton meters, and you got to go in a star pattern diagonally, so to make sure that you tighten them and get them properly set. So, okay, 100 degrees out here, so sweating my cojones off. But all right, we're going to get this done, and then we're going to see what the finished product looks like. Okay, thanks. looks like that might have fixed the problem with the new rotors. So Galfer rotors right there. Just put them on. You guys saw that, but back in business. Took her for a little bit of a spin, just around the block. No more wobbling. So far everything seems cool. So looks like problem fixed. So anyways, more details to come.